Yeah. Leverage Nation, this is a lot of work. A lot of work they put into this. Oh my. The bell up top. Oh my. Every detail, the trees. The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Leverage. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say, I'm your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and today we have a special little vlog. We are call it Christmas vlog. Right now, over there in a Pompano, and right now we have the sign right, it's a road closed. So right now we are gonna basically just look on the street, all them people have them Christmas lights, Christmas edition. I guess them do this every year. So we're gonna look and see what I gotta go on right just so, because a be light this is firing right now. Yeah, then a Pompano Fort Lauderdale. And see if we can video some things and see if we can see people, you know. So that is it. Look. Right now we're up on the street. I know, like them every house on the block. Right now we are going down there, so yeah, I wanted to catch it before they turn it on, but yeah, look right here, so the American light, them take it serious, such a, yeah, when they tree them, that is it. Over here, yeah, nice. I guess them do this every year. Yeah, yeah, Leverage Nation, kind of dark right now, but yeah, I guess they do this every year, and like from starting at December or even before, they start prepare and set up the light, and it's like an attraction, so they close off the road. This is by Pompano Beach, east side, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, now you can see me get some light right here. So yeah, Leverage Nation. So this is just quick vlog, Christmas edition, Christmas light. Look on the place, bright and nice. Yeah man, Leverage, that is it. And the tree them so reach main attraction. Yeah, all the people them, they take Christmas serious. Yeah, yeah. Look on the chariot over there, so yeah, that is it. Yeah, they take Christmas serious. Quick little vlog, man. Leverage Nation. I don't know, when you're watching Leverage Boss TV, expect to see everything. It's kind of windy right now, don't? Yeah, man, but expect to see everything. We don't know, do all kind of reviews in the future, because we just start out the channel fresh, but we do review, daily vlog, and some attraction, everything we got to deal with. You know, just some content for show you. You don't know, you know. And soon we're going to show you the music side of things, because you don't know we're artists too. And you can check out that too. Eclips, Leverage Boss, on YouTube as well. But right now, just want to not forget used to the vlog channel, you know, and see thing them we are going. Yeah. So look, reach main part now. Santa Town. Real Santa Town. Look at this one. Santa workshop, wrapping, gift distribution. We look on the sign there. Santa house this. Yeah. Thai crafting, you see it? Yeah, they're moving in the background. That's it. A lot of work going to this. Yeah, yeah. Amazing work. A lot of work. I wonder if I can meet the person who did this. This is a lot of, look on the roof. This is a lot of work. Yeah. Leverage Nation, this is a lot of work. A lot of work they put into this. Oh my. The bell up top. Oh my. Every detail, the trees. Yes, Leverage Nation. Send. Can I read right there? St. Massive Parish celebrate Christmas with our family 6 p.m. nightly. Yeah, so I guess every 6 p.m. them do it. Nice. This is very nice. Very nice. And the trees. See, they have the TV. Let's see holiday. Oh, they're showing how they did it. How long does it take set up this display? It takes 4 weeks to assemble the display light up Thanksgiving Day. Also, it's from Thanksgiving Day. Yeah, they're showing on the screen. Oh, they did it. How much maintenance is required to display? No one, all lights are single stranded, 100 lights set. They are very careful place to achieve this appearance, symmetrical appearance. Yes. Maybe you guys can pause it and look and read, but yeah, kind of moving fast. I like how they show how they make it with the screen, you know? What is electric bill? They said don't worry about it basically. You can read it.
Sorry on the point.
Where did you get the train? It is originally sold as a battery operated. Where they move fast, but people, yeah man, hopefully y'all can pause it and see. Yeah. Family and friends did it, man. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. 170,000 lights are used in the display. Yeah, you repeat right there.
On les voit tous les deux, gars. Parce que quand tu attaches un bout, tu attaches l'autre bout.
A lot of work. Leverage. A lot of work. I like this. I like this. Never catch right here. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Yeah, just.
You guys see the TV where they show?
Yes, Leverage Nation. And the guitar. Data leverage. Data leverage, Leverage Nation. Nice. Yeah. Take another look again. And a lot of people come here. It's kind of right now. It's approximately maybe what you call it. Just a little bit after 6.
I feel like it was raining.
They have it from 6 to 10. And by time 9 o'clock, I heard the whole road block off. A whole lot of people. So the people them coming here. Yeah man, people them walk down. People from all walks down the street. Let's see if I could get this angle. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Good little place to take your kids and them something. Yeah man. Pompano. Yeah, nice. Every year they do it. All walks. All the way up the street, people have the light, people coming down. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Oh, no, I never saw the Santa. Why? Look at Santa. You have the Santa coming down the chimney right there. You guys, I'm good. I'm doing a vlog on this thing.
What do you think?
Amazing. A lot of work. A lot of work. You know, I always drove fast, but it's my first time like stopping and observing. But
You can't drive. You know how much you miss. You gotta walk around, you know.
you guys did this last year, right?
Oh yeah.
How long you guys been doing it?
22 years.
Every year.
Except for 2020 because of COVID.
But
yeah, 22 years.
22 years, because I remember I drove past even last year and I saw all the lights and I'm like, whoa. But this year yeah guys, 22 years. Wow. Alright, Leverage Nation, do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know? Yeah. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Remember. Yeah man. That's a leverage. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Leverage, you know? Yeah, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man. That's a leverage man. You know, I don't really want to put the camera on people. You don't know. Sometimes people observe it and say it's rude, so we have to watch what we're doing. But yeah man, that's a leverage man. Showing the place in Pompano. They say they're doing it for 22 years. So yeah. One more last round, you know? Show you what's going on. Road. Yeah. Oh, you know, oh, this is like a, they make the tree in like a big Santa hat. Yeah. This is nice. Nice.
No,
Data leverage. You know, the kids them come enjoy themselves every year. They say they're doing it for 22 years, guys. 22 years. Tree is wonderful. A whole lot of work. Gotta give you a front shot. So all the way down the street, they're doing it. And come right here is the main thing, you know? Yeah, Leverage Nation.
Thank you, good job. You said thank you back?
Yeah, Leverage Nation. That. Leverage, 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 you know? I will take a quick walk back, go down, so you guys can see. And video over there. And look from this angle, yeah, look kind of like, whoa. Yeah. Data leverage. Yeah, so that is it for the guys, so that is it for the vlog. Remember, check in for more. You don't know, data leverage, man. Leverage, leverage, leverage.